Okay, so this is gonna be the focal point picture behind my desk. Y'all ignore my feet. And so I decided to do something that's similar of wings in my mind. Artistically, I see wings, right? Because we're doing it in these. And so now I'm getting ready to use this stuff called gaps and cracks, and it tends to spread relatively quickly. I've never used it before, so that's what it is in case you want to get it. But it does, I've seen people create like popcorn with it, fake popcorn, fake cupcakes. So my desire is to create something right in here as a focal point. I feel like this is probably lower down than I want it to be in terms of, I'm probably going to do one more section of caulk right here, or this is not caulk, but you can use caulk to do this as well. Joint filler, or joint compound, sorry. And then I'm gonna spray this stuff. So let me go do one more row of this. And even though this is pink, this is gonna dry white. And these are 3 different kinds. This is towel compound, and then these 2 are flooring compound. This one's light, this one's supposed to be heavier, but I haven't really noticed the difference other than it's just a little bit harder to spread. This one is easy to spread, but dries hard and firm in place, probably because it's for towels. So this is probably my favorite, which I'm gonna be using. So I added a little bit more. Now we're just gonna, there's a little nozzle on here. Take the little Jesus, drive slow. There's a finger lever. I was pushing the wrong thing. I guess it expands. Now I don't know how it dries, so we're gonna find out. We experiment. But I was thinking this would be the perfect texture of what I want for the centerpiece painting or whatever. I mean, I still have ventilation going on. That's all. So what I'm gonna do now is let this dry. So I have to run out to pick up a shelf that I need. That's what it looks like. I'm going to clean this one. So I'm going to clean up the edges right quick. I don't know, I'm not sure that I dislike that, but see what happens once it dries. It'll be where we can chisel it off. It'll be easier to get it off now. So let me go make that decision, and I'll come back and show you what everything looks like. Use the piece of paper because I don't want to touch this stuff with my hands if I don't need to, since I'm not wearing gloves. They didn't have gloves again last night. I went to a different Dollar Tree. So I just tore a piece of paper off the end of the paint and stuff, and just use that to clean it up. That's what it looks like from the, thank you, from the front side. So we're gonna let all this dry, and then we'll come back and figure out what we're doing up here. Okay, so this one is definitely a work in progress. So this is how this came out. It hardened, and so now what I'm doing is starting to layer the paint in the process. No clue of the direction I'm going, but I'm committed to it because I already put it on here. So stay tuned. I will let you know what it looks like. Right now it's just looking like a big old blob in the center of this painting. what she's gonna do. The Caleb's back here. But it's gonna come out. I'm trusting God. And even if it doesn't, guess what? We're still hanging it up in the office. Okay, so it's starting to look better. I'm still working on it because it's a layering process. But I do like that piece in the middle, which again, this is like an angel wing type photo in my mind. So it's gonna come together. Stay focused, praise saints. It looks like the ugly duckling is becoming a swan. So at least that's what I told Marvin anyway. So it's starting to come together because I really wanted like the navy blue and the teal blue to all come together because the chairs that I bought to go with my desk, originally I was going to use a chair I had at home. It was like a gray. But then it blended into the wall because the walls are gray. So I was like, okay, that's not cute. So ended up getting some royal blue like faux crushed velvet chairs. So I needed to do something navy blue, which I already kind of had in mind. So it's starting to come together really beautiful. And what I love about it is I initially wanted it to look like the universe or look like the stratosphere, the mesosphere, planet, that type thing. You know, celestial, that's the word I'm looking for. So I feel like this part really does. And it's all coming together. So I'm going to add some pinks and some more blues and purples. There's still a lot of work to be done down here. But I need to let all the swirls dry because if not, it'll all blend together, you know, because it's still wet. So stay tuned. Just wanted to give you an update where we are. But celestial and angelic, that's what I'm going for because this is going to be the centerpiece behind my chair, and then the other two pictures are going to go. The other two pieces of art, I should say, are going to go on the side. So God bless you guys. Talk to you soon. Okay, so here is how it looks so far. I love it. I'm going to add, I'm not sure if I want to add anything else to be honest. I feel like I want to, but I'm just not sure what. So I may leave it alone. Go ahead and hang it in the office until I decide. But this piece I'm calling Arise, and it's going to be dead center behind my chair at my office. So excited. I really wanted the royal blue, and I feel like that just made it pop. And even though it's darker at the top, I love how it just looks like to me like everything's ascending into the heavens, because we get closer to the heavens in space, everything gets darker with all the celestial bodies and all that. So that's kind of the take that I have on it. So I love how it turned out. I'll keep you posted. There's 2 more to go for the office to be complete. So excited. Bless you guys. Hey you guys. Okay, so check it out. So this stuff is weird. Like the gap and crack sealant, which I really like it. But when it gets on your hands, I think I said that before, it becomes like glue. Today is day 2 or 3 of me having sprayed this on here. I'm just getting it off my hands. I will not ever use this anymore without gloves. But look how pretty it's taken on the paint and everything. So we're doing the second painting for the back wall. I'm literally gonna finish these today, hang them today. We're gonna have a grand opening probably the 1st of the year. So we are gonna go ahead and open, start using the office. We won't have anything formal until after the holidays. It's too much pressure, right? To plan it, invite, and do all that stuff. So I am gonna tell people when we're open so they can swing by. Plus we're not gonna have traditional hours, and so I'm trying to figure that out, like when will the actual days be that we're there. But I just wanted you to know how the art is coming out. It is so pretty. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. So right now, these 2 are drying. Have the other one is under the table, and we're gonna get